Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust side mirrors in your Tesla Model 3. To begin, simply tap the Controls icon on your large touchscreen display. From there, you will see an option labeled Mirrors. Select this to bring up the Mirror Adjustment interface. You can then choose which side mirror you wish to adjust, either the left or the right. This initial step is crucial for setting up your optimal field of view. Once you have selected the left, or driver's side, mirror on the screen, you will use the left scroll wheel located on your steering wheel to make precise adjustments. Roll the scroll wheel up or down to move the mirror vertically, and left or right to move it horizontally. The goal is to position the mirror so you can just barely see the rear corner of your vehicle, ensuring a wide view of the lane beside you. Now, switch your selection on the touchscreen to the right, or passenger's side mirror. Just like before, you will utilize the left scroll wheel on your steering wheel to fine-tune its position. Adjust the mirror until you can see a small portion of your car's rear quarter panel. This setup provides an expansive view of the adjacent lane, significantly enhancing your awareness of surrounding traffic. Your Tesla Model 3 also offers convenient features like Mirror Auto Tilt, which automatically angles your mirrors downward when you shift into reverse, helping you see curbs. Remember to save your preferred mirror settings to your driver profile so they are automatically recalled each time you enter the vehicle. Taking a few moments to properly adjust your mirrors significantly enhances your overall driving safety and confidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.